Question 14. Y equals 1.8 correct to 1 decimal place. Calculate the lower bound for the value for y plus 1. So whenever you are dealing with bounds, what you want to do is any of the numbers that you're given, you've got to find the bounds of them. And if you want a default option here, write down the upper and the lower bound. This will make it easier to deal with more difficult questions. So 1.8 is the number that we start with. The fact that it is correct to 1 decimal place, basically if you figure out what the next 1 decimal place answer is, and the previous 1 decimal place answer is, your upper and lower bounds are what's in between. So our lower bound here, halfway between 1.7 and 1.8, is 1.75, and your upper bound is 1.85. Now, they're asking us to calculate the lower bound of this expression here. So once you have your bounds in red, these are the only numbers that you're allowed to substitute into the formula. Now, common sense here, of course, the smaller number you sub in here, the smaller the answer will be, and the bigger number you sub in, the bigger answer. But these get more complicated, like I said. If you're ever unsure, sub in both and see what answers you get. One of those answers will be the smallest, which makes it the lower bound. Of course, in this case, we know we're going to use 1.75, so I'll just shut up and get on with it. 4 times that plus 1 gives us 7 plus 1 gives us 8, meaning that's the lower bound.